College is the only Catholic school here in Escalante City. Mount Carmel College offers a quality, responsive, and relevant Christian education since 1961. It has also linkages with other Carmelite schools, colleges, and universities all over the world and in the region.
The vision, mission of Mount Carmel College. The Carmelite school system envisions a Philippine society that is free, just, democratic, and humane. It will strive to work for total human development based on Christian principles and values.
As a Catholic of learning, it should provide a Christian education, quality education that is nationalist, scientific, mass-oriented, and liberating. It shall participate in the evangelizing task of the Church in the promotion of God's reign. Here and now, in the process of evangelizing others, it shall experience their evangelizing power. College scholarship. High school valedictorian and salutatorian. Working students.
Bachelor of Elementary Education, Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English, Filipino, Biological Science, and Mathematics, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Human Resource Management Development, Financial Management, Bachelor of Arts, major in Sociology, English, Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, first year, second year Computer Hardware and Servicing, third year Computer Programming, 4-year Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, Bachelor of Science in Information Systems. Preschool, nursery and kindergarten, elementary from grade 1 to grade 6, first year high school to 4th year high school. Enroll now!
You know I still love you, baby. And you'll never change.